Good morning. Welcome to IKEA Moratic Education Channel. In the last class, we have discussed about the definition and importance of human resource planning. Now, we are going to discuss about the steps involved in human resource planning. There are so many steps. Mainly, we are going to discuss about 5 to 6 steps involved in human resource planning. First one is analysis of organizational plan and objectives. Second one, analysis of human resource planning objectives. Third one is forecasting. Fourth one, inventory of human resources. Fifth one, matching demand and supply. Sixth one, action plan of human resources. And the last one, monitor, control, and feedback. Now we discussed somewhat in brief about these steps. So the first step, analysis of organizational plan and objectives. Human resource planning is a part of overall planning of the organization. While planning of organization, management decides the turnover of production and sales, on which the size and structure of departments, sections, and subsections are planned. In this structure, management provides to the human resources department assessing of human resource requirement for each department and activity. Second one, analysis of human resource planning objectives. The main purpose of human resource planning is to match the present and future needs of organization. The human resource department may recruit staff through internal or external source. Internally, it may recruit staff through transfers, promotions, etc., and externally through outsourcing or selection through advertisements, etc. Third one, forecasting for HR recruitment. The manpower required at different positions according to their job profile are to be estimated in this forecasting. Why we need this forecasting? Because of some changes in the structure or additions, etc., we need to do forecasting. Mainly, forecasting of human resource requirement arises due to expansion of the organization, mergers, acquisitions, retirement, termination, resignation, or death, change in style of leadership, improvement in productivity, or if the organization gets some new projects. Inventory of human resources. Assessment of human resource begins with the current human resource inventory of the organization. This is also known as auditing of manpower, where all complete information regarding skills, abilities, qualifications, number of employees, their capacity for the work is available. And the fifth one is matching demand and supply. Human resource planning is to assess the demand for supply of human resource and match both the requirement to know the shortages and surplus. This will enable human resource department to know overstaffing and understaffing. Action plan of human resources. In case of shortages, the human resource department should meet the requirement through internal and external sources. In case of surplus, the voluntary retirement scheme or redeployment in other departments or other new jobs may be recommended. HRD should give extensive training and development program to its employees. Monitor, control, and feedback. This mainly involves implementation of a human resource action plan. The plan is to monitor, to identify the deficiency and remove it. Human resource department has to do comparison between human resource plan and actual implementation to ensure the availability of the required staff for various departments. In conclusion, human resource department should follow the human resource philosophy as a guiding principle. Career planning must be kept in view while planning for human resources. So these are some of the steps involved in the human resource planning. Thank you.